Sticky rice and mango. A dessert from Cambodia. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Wash and rinse the sticky rice well. Add enough water to the rice until the water is about 1/4 inch above the rice surface. Cook rice in an automatic rice cooker or in a bowl in a steamer.
Step
Do not
2.
open the rice until
Heat
fully
on
cooked,
low,
about
3/4
20 to 25
cup of
coconut
minutes.
milk in a small saucepan. Add sugar and ½ tablespoon salt to the coconut milk and cook until dissolved. Remove from heat and pour into cooked rice.
Step 3.
Stir to mix well
Heat
and
the
set
rest of
aside to
coconut
let
milk
stand
and
for
add
about
salt.
15 minutes. Step 4. Stir until the salt is dissolved. This makes the topping. Step 5. To serve, place sliced mangoes on a side of a serving disc. Spoon some seasoned sticky rice on the other side. Step 6. Top the rice with 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut sauce and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.